So we have 12 cocktails on this menu. In the original London one we had 10. And we've just found flavours that we really like to blend. So we've got orange, mint, caramel, which is a very popular one. We've got like Christmas themed ones, we've got cinnamon. So I mean it took quite a few times, quite a few blends, many trials and errors in our kitchen. Getting very drunk on Friday nights by yourself and having to stop because you can only drink so many cocktails. Lauren got in touch from Housewives of Cheshire and she was doing, it was for the wedding of the royals, so she was doing a royal themed wedding party in her garden midsummer, and she just asked us to have a bar there, have loads of our guests there, and they absolutely loved it, serving them cocktails. So this one here is your mint, so this is called the After 8 o'clock. It tastes just like an After 8, which is where it got its name from. And it's rimmed with blue sugar and a little aero bubble on top. And it's cream de menthe, cream de cacao white, chocolate vodka and a dash of lactose-free